Hey, I wanted to talk about some of my favorite comic book covers. This one says TV screen cartoons. They're like inside of a TV. And then look at this. Casper is looking at these TVs. The TV store. Remember those? And then I was looking at my CD collection, and these guys are inside of a TV screen, like hand drawn. Um, anyway, I don't know what I'm trying to say here. The trouble with Bubbles? What happened to Bubbles? She's running away? That was a good comic. Here's another Casper. He's underwater. Okay. Thanks for watching.